How to share your Spotify profile to Instagram directly. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to share your Spotify profile to Instagram easy and fast. All what you have to do, go to Spotify. This is the home page as you can see. Now go to the top corner right here and click on this icon. After you click on it, now you will find many options here. Click on the first one, click here on your name, go to your profile, and now this is my profile. All what you have to do is go to the top corner right here and click on those three dots, and now you will find the share option here. Click on it, and here you go. Now you will be able to share your Spotify account to Instagram direct, easy and fast. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you in the next one. Thank you so much.